Hey guys, today I'll be unboxing the LeBron NXXT Gens. I got them in size 9.5, US 9.5. So here's the top of the box, and the rest of the box, yeah, it's 9.5. Yep, as you can see, the box has like this pattern, which is the same as the shoe. Yeah, and just a bunch of logos and stuff, eh? Okay, I'll just unbox it now. Sweet. So here's the right shoe. I'll get the other one as well. Give me a second. Sweet. So here's the, like, both the shoes. Comes in this like lime green colorway. Looks very nice. On the tongue, it's got the signature and the LeBron logo. And there's this reflective swoosh. And this one's normal. It's like almost rubberized or like plastic. Yep, and the inside of the shoe. Yeah. Then inside the sole, this you can have a look, eh? Sweet. And here's the bottom of the shoe. As you can see, you can see the pattern for the outsole, and I think this is a carbon fiber plate. I'm not sure, but it's got a shank plate, so it's a bit more rigid, I guess. Yep, and the other shoe is pretty much the same. Yeah. Sweet. Yeah. Sweet. I'll just try them on and I'll let you know. Eh? Give me a second. Normally I am a 9.5, so I did go true to size with this. Sorry, I'll just loosen them up a bit. So let's see how they feel. See, I'll put on the left shoe. Okay, the length is true to size. Yeah, the length is perfect, true to size. It does have a narrower base, and yeah, the containment feels pretty good. Yeah, your foot will not move around in these. I'll just stand a. Yeah. And the support around the ankle feels very, very good as well. The cushioning, yeah, it's pretty solid. It's a little bit squishy, and you are a little bit like higher off the ground. Oh, maybe not. It's like, I think it's just the right amount. So you do still like feel the floor a bit. Yeah. Sweet. Sweet. Thank you for watching.